Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. My name is LUQMAN, NURHAKIM and NORHAN. So today I'm going to produce several design of a clay board and test it whether it's going to float or sink. And after that we're going to investigate what is the cost of the boat to sink or float. Maybe because I changed the dimension of the boat, maybe it's because of the volume of the clay board, or maybe caused by the density of the clay board or the water. Right, so let's get into it. Before we getting into it, let me explain about how a body, when it's dropped on the water, what cause it to float. The floating body is caused by the buoyancy force that acting opposite direction with the mass of the body. Alright, buoyancy is the vertical force exerted by the fluid on an immersed body, and when the body is floating, we can see it whether it is stable or not. And stability is the ability of the object to return to its original position after being tilted about horizontal axis. For this task, I have come up with 5 different designs of clay board model to investigate is it float or sink. Shape a 5 cm clay ball. Fill the container until it's half full. Turn the clay ball into a rectangular board referring to the design. Measure the dimension and scale the weight. Mark the first water level. Place the clay board into the water. Observe the floating boat. Mark the second water level and record the data. Repeat all the steps in order to make another 4 designs. Alright, after all of that have been done, we can proceed to construct our report and make our conclusion and discussion in it. Okay, and that's all from me for now. See you next time. Goodbye.